Heyo, it's me, Hyper Savage, and today I'm going to be working on some scratch art. Now, these came from Michael's, and I got them because they were all on clearance. I don't know the original price, but I think I only paid like $5 each. They were not in the clearance section. They were actually like still on their display, marked as clearance, so I'm kind of wondering why they're like that. That's why I want to like do a video about it. So, let's go ahead and look at all the different designs. You can see them on the back here when they're already scratched off. There is this one, and there's this one. This one has foil on it. That's gonna be fun. And then there's this one. So let's go ahead and open them up and take a look. Okay, let me go ahead and quickly show you the designs without them being already scratched off, just so we get an idea of what's going on here. They actually look a lot simpler when they're outlined like this than what they did on the back. And then it repeats because there is 2 of every image in here. I did not even notice that there was an owl on here. So that first one was the mushroom one, this one is the floral one, but they're all kind of like a similar theme in general. Repeats. This one is the moon one, or the celestial one. And Chi is over here trying to help. So those are the 3 sets I got. I think there was maybe 1 or 2 more. They just weren't designs that I liked. So as you saw, each of them came with like a little stylus and brush, and the brush is just to brush away the little pieces that come up once you do the etching or scratching. So yeah, let me pick out one that I want to do, and then we'll get started. So this brush quality is terrible, so it's definitely not made for painting. I guess it's just rough to like brush away any of the particles that are going to be on here. And this is cool. I thought it was just a way to cap this side, but I guess this is like a finer detail end. Come on, focus camera. Interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I don't know what side I should be using. I'm gonna have the reference off to the side here to decide if I really want to like scratch out more or not. Oh, that's a stem. That's interesting. This one has a gold foil on it, but it's not advertised with a gold foil. Now let's try the pointy end. Maybe that wasn't the greatest way to try the pointy end because I think the legs are black. Here, let me try the pointy end on us, just so we can see it if it works. It works, but I think if I try too hard, it might start scratching the design away too. Like it'll tear the paper underneath. So that we gotta be careful with the pointy end. Okay, so now I'm just gonna like kind of do a time lapse of me scratching the rest of this off. So here it is all done. Here's what it looks like without all the glare and the shine. I do think it's interesting that the packaging for this one that this was in does not indicate that there's any kind of foil to it, but the other two packs do. So I don't know if maybe this is just like an older pack or something, but they were all on clearance, so I don't actually know. I definitely think this is fun, and the tools that they gave you are like this scraper, I don't know what they're called technically. The stylus was better quality than the ones that I usually get whenever I buy like little etch art kits. The brush is a good idea. I do think that it is a very, very low quality brush, but it still gets the job done. There's just like little hairs like everywhere. But again, you're brushing everything off of here. It's not like it's gonna ruin anything by having little hairs that you have to vacuum up as well. Overall, I think this was a fun kit, especially if you feel like doing something creative without actually creating anything, if that makes sense. Because this is more of a reveal type of situation and less of like using your brain power to make something. Does that make sense? I don't know. It sounds like I don't have any brain power right now. But yeah, those are all of my thoughts and opinions. There's not really much to this. I do etch art occasionally on the channel, so let me know if you guys like this more of a like reveal etch art style instead of like making my own designs. Well, anyways, if you guys want to watch another etch art video, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!